kidding.
Go get it. Get it.
No, I already fell in the
Oh, don't get
You
it.
fell from. You tipped yourself over.
Get it from him.
My sandals slide on the grass.
Uh-huh.
What are you gonna nap?
There's dog poop over there. Watch out.
Go get it. What are you doing? Are you trying to pretend you have a snack for him? Yeah.
Billy, you want biscuit? Come on.
He's looking at you like you're silly.
He's looking at Gina. He's like, I want her to come chase me.
Oh, there's big dog poop back there, remember?
That no one cleaned up.
He pooped right there, Bernie.
Oh,
Watch
yeah,
out.
You're gonna get it. What are you doing?
Just chase him. That'd be much easier.
Are you trying to scare him? Now come get the towel. No. Yes. Gina, stay for that.
Now go get the blanket.
No, you're not facing it. Yes.
What?
You don't see how there's like a concert there.
Did you get her falling?
That's when I started.
You can't see it. It was concert. Ain't it told you concert?
It is. Just run and get it.
Gina, I can't run it fast.
Take off your shoes. Are you kidding me right now? You played Manhunt the other night. You can run.
Well, you want to eat chips before you run?
No, I was going to distract him with a chip. And I don't know, what my 7-dog poop bear
You
foot?
Oh my god, that's better than